drones? Are they drones?
Mom, look! What are those? They're glowing.
My camera sucks.
What are they?
I don't know. Drones, maybe? They're either drones or aliens.
There's so many of them. It's gotta be like a drone pilot.
Where are they going, though?
So
There's
many.
another one coming.
Where?
Right? Straight across. Oh, no, over here. Where the other ones were.
Oh, yeah, a small one. They're all going that way. My camera's not really picking them up now.
Let me get this. Let me get it. I got it. Come on. Oh, crap. I'm moving quick. Hold on. Okay. Where is it? Dang it. Oh. The trees are moving.
Oh, I see it now. I see it. Holy hell! What is that? Get that. That is not birds.
I got it. Okay.
Those are not birds.
Dude, look.
What the hell is it? Holy shit! That's a bunch of fucking orbs. That's a shitload of orbs. This is fucking amazing. That looks like a bunch of orbs, doesn't it?
Those are not birds, dude.
Those are not birds.
Look.
Holy shit! They're separating. What the hell are those? Oh, people are gonna trip when they see this. People are gonna trip. Yeah, tell me those are fucking balloons, right?
Look at those two cross.
Tell me those are balloons, huh?
Whoa.
What the hell? God, I wish my camera would have some battery.
What? Go back soon.
That's fucking
Those are
crazy.
not birds.
Those can't be birds. It's way too many.
Look at right there, dude.
And look how they look. You would see if they were birds. What the fuck is that? Did you get a zoomed out shot of all of them together? How it looks?
Yeah.
Get as close as you can.
That's like far.
What the hell?
Oh.
That was gold. That's our great white shark right there.
What is?
That's a great white shark. All the
There's
fish
so
we catch
many.
will
Are
not
there
fish.
any more? Check
See if there's anything anywhere else.
the rest of the.
That's damn crazy. And you're still on them.
Ah. Lost it. No.
Damn it. We got good footage of it though.
No, I can't see him anymore.
Lost focus.
Dang it. Yeah.
That was still golden footage. That's a great white shark.
Dang it, man.
What the hell was that?